He stood on the rooftop, gripping the cold iron railing as the wind roared against him. His swollen eyes, shaking breath, and blurred vision told a story of a heart carrying too much pain alone. His phone buzzed again, another message he didn't want to read, and he dropped it to the ground as if the sound itself hurt him. One more second, and everything would end. But then, somewhere inside the chaos, a tiny whisper rose. "Is this really how your story ends?" And that fragile voice pulled him back from the edge. But this was not the beginning. This was life finally confronting him with the truth he had avoided for years. His name was Vikram, once a boy who laughed loudly, dreamed freely, and believed he could survive anything. Vikram felt everything deeply. He blamed himself when people left and hid storms behind quiet smiles. There were nights he lay staring at the ceiling, whispering questions he never said aloud. Why me? Why does everything hurt? But answers don't come to those who wait. They come to those who break and then choose to rebuild. The next morning, he didn't become strong, but he did something greater. He refused to give up. He started small, cleaning his room, taking walks, writing down what he still had instead of what he lost. Slowly, he learned to breathe again. Slowly, he discovered strength is built, not born. Weeks later, he returned to the same rooftop, not with despair, but with clarity. He finally understood. Life hadn't been punishing him, it had been preparing him. If this story moved you, subscribe to StoryNest Official, where stories shape strength, one lesson at a time.